Welcome. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to rank 4 different open source AI video generation models that have been floating around. One of them even just came out today. So yeah, you could use VO at Google. Maybe one day OpenAI will actually release their Sora model. But in the meantime, there are some awesome open source AI developments happening. Also, later on in the video, I'm going to show you how you can go into the cloud and just with a couple button clicks, run your own video generation. Costs you about $3 an hour, but you get a lot of power and it's easy. Step Video is a text-to-video generation model designed for creating short, high-quality videos from textual descriptions. It focuses on producing smooth motion and maintaining temporal consistency across frames. Step Video uses diffusion-based approach where noise is iteratively removed from a latent representation of the video. It incorporates 3D VAE, variational autoencoder, to compress video data into manageable latent space, enabling efficient processing. Text prompts are encoded using a language model like Clip, which helps the model to understand and align with user inputs. Step Video excels in generating videos with realistic motion dynamics and coherent transitions between frames. It's particularly suited for creating short, visually appealing clips with a focus on natural movement. Mochi 1, developed by Genmo AI, is an open-source text-to-video model that emphasizes creative freedom and high-quality outputs. It is particularly known for its smooth motion and adherence to textual prompts. Mochi 1 leverages a diffusion-based framework combined with the ASIM-DIT architecture. This design allows the model to process spatial and temporal information effectively, ensuring smooth transitions and realistic motion. Its open-source nature encourages experimentation and customization, making it ideal for developers looking to integrate video generation into their workflows. Mochi 1 stands out for its asymmetric diffusion transformer ASIM-DIT architecture, which ensures exceptional motion realism and visual fluidity. It supports 480p video generation at 30 frames per second and is open source, making it accessible for developers and researchers. Hunyuan Video, developed by Tencent, a Chinese outfit, is a powerful open source video generation model with 13 billion parameters. It is designed for high quality cinematic video generation and supports both real and virtual styles. Hunyuan Video uses a hybrid architecture combining 3D VAE for video compression and multimodal language models for text encoding. The model employs a dual-stream, single-stream design to integrate visual and semantic information effectively. It also features a prompt rewrite module to enhance user input comprehension, ensuring high-quality outputs. Hunyuan Video excels in text-video alignment, motion diversity, and visual quality. It supports 720p resolution, which is your lower end of high def, and can generate long, continuous sequences with rich semantic expressions. Its ability to handle complex prompts and maintain temporal consistency makes it a standout model. SkyReels, another brand new model hot off the presses that just came out a day ago, is a text-to-video model designed for creating visually engaging, artistic videos. It focuses on generating videos with unique styles and creative effects, making it ideal for storytelling and experimental content. SkyReels employs a diffusion-based framework with a focus on style transfer and creative effects. It integrates advanced text encoders to interpret prompts and applies artistic transformations to the generated videos. This makes it a versatile tool for creators seeking to push the boundaries of traditional video generation. The reason why I picked SkyReels as the winner is because it's a fine-tune of Hunyuan. So it's like taking Hunyuan and making it even better. And that's one of the cool things about open source is that you can do that. And now I'll show you how to rent cloud space and set up Hunyuan Video in just a few clicks. After you sign into RunPod, you'll have to fund your account with a minimum of $25. Once you do that, you click on Deploy. Pick an H100 NVL GPU. Go to Templates. Make sure that you type in Hunyuan to search for the template that you'll need, which has a pre-installation of the Hunyuan Video and a Gradio installation to give you a front-end web interface. It's pretty easy, so click on that one. You'll see the name of it is Hunyuan Video App. Now set the disk space at 250 gigabytes each, just to be on the safe side. Also encrypt the volume, never hurts to do that, and then click Deploy, and just wait for the pod to spin up. Once you get here, you can click that purple down arrow, and it'll show you the progress of the pod being built. It might take you some time because it has to download the model. Click Connect, then click on HTTP service port 7860. This will open up the Gradio app. You can put in your parameters and settings. I've got the default stuff up there just for test, for example purposes. Under inference steps, I have it at 50. You can crank that up to 70, maybe 80, and you'll get much better quality than this cat. All of these video models show promise. It's just a matter of time before they start doing 1080p quality or 4K quality. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you got some value from this video, please click the like button. If you want to see me test different open source AI models, and also give step-by-step tutorials about how to run your open source AI programs in Linux, please subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Be good to each other. I'll see you in the next one.